Hi, Sarah. I got a couple of questions. Have you got a minute?
Sure.
Great. I was looking around here and I was thinking, why would I use Traders Accounting as opposed to getting something like QuickBooks or Peachtree to do my bookkeeping?
Well, Traders Accounting uses QuickBooks. We don't use Peachtree. It's geared more towards construction, larger businesses. It generally only has one equity account, which is difficult when you have multiple members or shareholders. Peachtree doesn't import directly into tax softwares like ProSeries and Listserv, some of the Intuit softwares that most CPA firms use. QuickBooks does. You'll be able to pull reports up from the day, the month, the year, whatever time period you're looking for.
Okay.
With the bookkeeping and the accounting here, there's a lot of different expense categories, equity accounts, income accounts, liabilities, assets, and unless you've got just a little bit of accounting background, you'll have no idea where to put some of these items.
You're absolutely right. I know I've tried to set up QuickBooks a few times, and it seems like it comes up with a generic set of all these accounts, of like thousands of them. And for every receipt that I try to put in there, it takes me an hour just to figure out which account I need, which ones I don't. So I ended up putting everything in my miscellaneous account.
It's like the Ask the Accountant account. It is. QuickBooks is very user-friendly, but you have to know at least the basics, accounting 101 stuff to, like I said, allocate that stuff. Your tax preparer, your CPA at the end of the year will come screaming at you if everything is in the miscellaneous account. So one of the things that we do is we set up the chart of accounts for you. We will bring in your pre-incorporation expenses, set up your equity accounts. All of your expenses will be allocated properly. Your gain and loss, now that's a tough one because let's say you didn't make the mark-to-market election. Well, you've got unrealized gain and loss, you've got cost basis in there, market value in there, different things, and you need to know where to put those items.
Yeah. So even though I don't love bookkeeping myself, I understand the value of it. Because you're right, when I get to my CPA in the end of the quarter, I end up paying twice as much because they end up doing all the bookkeeping for me. So what I'm imagining then there must be a cost savings to have the bookkeeping done ahead of time.
Oh, definitely. A huge difference in the price. And the reason why is because it literally takes half the time when they're getting the QuickBooks file from us or from one of the other clients. So.
All right. That sounds like it's paid to have somebody who likes bookkeeping versus somebody who doesn't like bookkeeping do it.
Yep, it does.
Well, thank you very much.
Thank you.